iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. This video serves as your guide to overcoming the error message or similar ones, providing you with 4 basic solutions and 1 advanced way to regain control of your device eventually. Part 1. Why does my iPhone say unavailable? Try again in 15 minutes. Apple locks iPhones after 10 wrong passcode attempts on iOS 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. If iPhone disabled, try in 15 mins. You have 2 or 4 tries left. Caution: 2 more attempts disable for an hour. Avoid hasty guesses. Part 2. How to fix iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. 4 quick solutions. Solution 1. Erase your iPhone directly. iOS 15 or later. On iPhone unavailable screen, tap Erase iPhone. Review warning. Tap Erase iPhone again. Enter Apple ID password to initiate wipe. Solution 2. Use iCloud. Find My iPhone. Sign into iCloud.com with Apple ID. Access Find iPhone. Choose Locked iPhone. Click Erase iPhone. Confirm with Erase. Wait for data wipe to complete. Solution 3. Use iTunes. Connect iPhone. Open iTunes. In summary, click Backup now. After backup, click Restore iPhone. iTunes resets, erasing data. After reset, restore backup for unlocked iPhone. Solution 4. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. Power off iPhone after disconnecting from the computer. Turn on. Connect to the computer simultaneously. Hold buttons to enter recovery mode. In iTunes prompt, choose Restore. Click Restore again to initiate iPhone reset.